In this video, I'll show you how to identify your returning customers in Putler. First, log into your Putler account. Then go to the Customers dashboard. Here you'll see all metrics. One of them is returning customers. Now, what exactly is a returning customer? This metric shows you how many customers have made at least one purchase before your selected date range, and also made more than one purchase within that date range. Let us understand this with an example. This is a date picker. And I select last year in the date picker. Putler will analyze all the customers who have purchased more than once in the last year and select them as returning customers. It will also check if any of the customers have purchased before that date range. If there are any matches, it will also add them to the returning customers list. Next, you can see how many returning customers there in last year. Here, it's 558. Then go to the predefined filter, also called as facets, on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the Customer Type section. Here, you'll see returning customers, along with the number of customers in brackets. Since I'm working with dummy data, the numbers might look wonky, but in your real data, this will show your actual loyal buyers. Now, let's click on Returning Customers. Putler will instantly show you the details in Customer List view. These are all your returning customers for the selected date range, year 2024. You can then download a CSV of these customers. Here's what you can do with this list. Identify who your most loyal buyers and send them a loyalty discount or just a thank you note. Analyze what products they buy repeatedly. Find patterns of how frequently they purchase from your store. If you run ads, you can use this returning customer list to create a lookalike audience and run ads to attract similar prospects to your site. Returning customers is an asset for any business. So identify who your returning customers are and put your data to use today. And one quick tip, whenever you want to apply a new filter, make sure to clear the previous one using the Clear button on the upper left side. This prevents filters from overlapping across dashboards and keeps your data accurate. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our other helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.